You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American chemist and physicist. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous scientists, chemists included from science, I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to. Stay tuned. Irving Langmuir, how to pronounce in English. Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1932. Surface chemistry. Irving Langmuir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.